Hey there, everybody. You're traveling with me, Jack, and of course, as always, with my beautiful heavenly wife, Pam. And how about this fancy background I came up with today? That's the Grand Canyon. Below that, that's the city of Phoenix about 20 years ago. You may be wondering, where the heck did you get those beautiful photos all framed and looking so nice on the wall there? Believe it or not, it was a few months ago I found them out by a dumpster. Can you believe that? Well, you know that old saying, one man's trash, another man's treasures. They became treasures of mine. But hey, we're not here to talk about artwork. We're here to talk about hot chicken. I got to tell you, I grew up in Tennessee. Nashville, when I was a kid, we knew they had fried chicken, but this Nashville hot chicken thing, it wasn't that big a deal then. It just wasn't. But now it's like it's sweeping the nation. And after a while, I start to think, do we really need another hot chicken joint? Especially in Phoenix, where it's hot all the time without having hot chicken. But guess what? I looked the other day. There's like over 50 places in the Phoenix area that you can get what they call Nashville Hot Chicken. Now, the question is, have any of these guys and gals figured out how to make it as good as Nashville? In my humble opinion, the bar has been set quite high in Nashville. Personally, I like the big three in Nashville. I like Prince's, I like Hattie B's, and I like Big Shakes. Those are the three big ones. They're hard to top. Now here in Phoenix, believe it or not, earlier I did a video on a place called Mrs. Chicken, Nashville Hot Chicken. You may recall I said it had a terrible name, but they had great Nashville Hot Chicken. And the big thing they had that kind of set them ahead of the others for me was the fact that they had hot chicken, Nashville hot chicken on the bone. Now, for those of us who grew up in the South, that's what's important. But most of these new wannabes, well, they do the strips and they do the sandwiches. So I tried out one of the latest entries into the Nashville hot chicken ring here in Arizona. They're starting to expand now. And they're out of Los Angeles. It's called Dave's Hot Chicken. So I went over to Dave's in Gilbert, Arizona and tried it out today. How was it? It was good. Was it great? No, but it was good. Now, first of all, they didn't have hot chicken on the bone. They had just tenders. So yours truly had to order a 2-tender meal with fries. Not the healthiest choice. Don't get on me about that. I know that. But as I've told you before, I fall off the wagon every now and then. They have a heat scale that's, it's basically 7 levels of heat. Going from 0, which is nothing, all the way up to what they call something the Reaper. Well, I went for 2 from the top with hot. Was it hot? Yes, it was. Was it still easy? And I mean, could you still taste the chicken, if you know what I mean? And yes, you can. You don't want the heat to be overpowering the chicken. And this didn't overpower the chicken, but it was still good. It was juicy. It was moist. It was fairly crunchy as well. The flavor, though, I got to tell you, while it was good, not great in my opinion. It's still not up to a Hattie B's, Big Shakes, or Prince's chicken standard. But hey, Dave, out of Los Angeles, you did a pretty good job. Now, they always have these dipping sauces. I'm a traditional person. I like to just eat my Nashville hot chicken without any sauce. But a lot of people, they like blue cheese, they like ranch, something to cool it down. Now, at Dave's Hot Chicken, they just give you one choice. It's Dave's special sauce, and it was okay. Again, not great, not bad. It was okay. I think it probably had a lot of sugar in it. That's just me saying that. I didn't check the ingredients, but it seemed to be awfully sweet. And I could have done without it. And they had the 2 pieces of white bread, and they had some sliced pickles as well. So what you could basically do is build your own Nashville hot chicken sandwich if you wanted to. That's the idea. Now, I understand, too, that they have some sliders where you get 2 sliders and some fries. The sliders are basically chicken sandwiches. And let's see, what else did I want to tell you about that place? That's about it. Dave's menu is very simple. As I mentioned, you get a choice of you can get some tenders, or you can get some sliders, or you can build your own sandwich. They have some sides like mac and cheese, kale salad, kale coleslaw, things like that. So if we're doing this thing on a scale of 0 to 5, Dave's Hot Chicken, I'm going to give it about a 3.7. Compared to a place like Hattie B's, which gets almost a 5. So Dave's kind of missing the mark, but not bad. But if you're in the Phoenix area, I still give the big thumbs up, though, to Mrs. Chicken, Nashville Hot Chicken on North 32nd Street. Now, there's also another place called Birdcage out of Colorado. It's also really, really good. And they do basically just chicken sandwiches, nothing on the bone. Getting back to chicken on the bone, we've got Gus's famous fried chicken here in the Phoenix area. Now got 3 or 4 locations. It's out of Memphis. Now, again, it's not like Nashville Hot Chicken. It's considered a spicy chicken, not super spicy. Really, really good though. Gus's, I'm going to tell you folks, if you're out looking for fried chicken here in Phoenix, and you just want good old fried chicken, and it doesn't have to be over the top hot and spicy, go to Gus's. They've pretty well nailed it down. They serve it up just like they do in Memphis as well. So again, just one guy's opinion on the hot chicken scene here in the Phoenix area. Hey, keep subscribing to the channel. Give it a thumbs up. Share the video if you liked it. You can also donate to the channel. Check out the podcast, Love Letters to Pam. Until we see you next time, make it a great day, better yet, a better tomorrow. And now a message from my heavenly wife, Pam.
Hi everyone, this is Pam, and guess who? Behind the camera.
That's right, Pam. I'm running the camera for you because you've got a special message.
I do. I would like for everyone to go to YouTube, if you've not already, and subscribe to our page, Traveling with Jack and Pam. We have so much fun going places and showing you these videos, and just would love for you to subscribe to us. So go do it right now.